Assalamu alaikum everyone and welcome to today's SXP swipe wallet, a coin that actually has been paying for so many people for a very long time. It never really moved, never ever really made the case to move up, and finally started pumping all of a sudden. And it seems like we are having some volume, some nice increase. And if you're not on the Discord, by the way, you might wonder why the hell am I opening this one up. I did say today that Bitcoin is aiming for 49,100. Please check that critical update on the channel. I've already posted it. And now, what I want to talk about is SXP, of course. And by the way, I want to consider if the fact that you have the all-time high right there and this recent swing low right here. And from there to there, are we looking to go to 2.297? Because that's the only thing that is left. Okay, we've already crossed 1.8. We actually went to the 1.2 once upon a time. Yeah, this was done back in 29th of November. Wow, that was a nasty dump, guys. And then from here, you actually went all the way for like 61%. That's really amazing. Now, to me, these candlesticks are looking very, very good. Expect next week also to have a rise to the upside. Who knows? But I do believe that we are looking to target the 2.297, or you can actually make the fact that it's looking to go to the 2.3, and you cross that, you're looking to go to the 2.7 as well. Now let's dive into the daily as well. Let's see if we have any more clues. And look, beautiful. This is really amazing because what you're doing is, I'm gonna just show you. Let me bring in the Fibonacci retracements right there, like this one, and I'm going to zoom in like that. And from the 0.236, look how beautifully you just ended up bouncing from this particular level right there. So I can actually pretty much say that 2.277 is your next target, in my opinion. Remember, not a financial advice though. Now, this is for the first time that I've been doing it, and it seems to me like it's making a continuation pattern. You went up like this, you make a pattern like that, and then you continue up like this, and now you're making another continuation pattern like that. Now, let's say the fact that you're making a continuation pattern, I'm just gonna tell you the next technical target. By the way, this could be a not bear, bull pennant. So from the bull pennant, you broke out of that bull pennant right now, and I'm going to tell you the next technical target from there to there. That's going to take you nearly considering this is where you're breaking out. I do believe that 2.449 is your potential next target right there. I'm going to drop the blue horizontal line right there, right? And from I'm gonna actually try to calculate this pennant as well. Is it a form of a ascending triangle, or a symmetrical triangle? I do believe it's a very, very small, tiny symmetrical triangle. Do you see that? Just like that. And that's still bullish. Okay, it's continuation pattern. This one is just continuation pattern. If you break out of here, you can see this one still takes you nearly that blue line right there, which is going to be the 2.362. Now I'm actually going to bring this blue line there for safety, to be very, very safe. It's going to be 2.358, and you can see that on the Fibonacci retracement as well, you have the 2.277. Now that's going to be a little bit of a more pump from there to there. That's going to be 12% more. And in my honest opinion, guys, I think SXP basically is, if it actually hold the 2.277 like a boss, then you could even be looking for 2.75. But that's actually on the larger time Fibonacci retracements as well. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I'm going to treat this recent swing high right there to the low here, and let's see what progress are we making right now. So this was your $4.5 right there, and all the way down here. So let's talk about this one in detail. Yeah, so you can see that the 0.5, look at that. Even when you talk about the near Fibonacci retracement, this is what you're looking for, 2.414. It's safe to say $2.4 is your next target potentially for SXP as well. So let's see what it does. In my opinion, it made a bump and run pattern right now. And if you don't know anything about bump and run, let's talk about this one. So it's something that you actually do to cross, and you continue moving towards the upside. So this is how it looks like. So what it does is you bump, this is your bump, and then you run. That's just what the name suggests. And if you don't know anything about that, I'm going to go to the Google and I'm going to write in here bump and run. Okay, just like that, bump and run pattern. Okay, so what about the bullish one? Okay, all you need is the bullish, the bump and run pattern bullish. And I'm gonna open up any image right now from here. I just want to see an example. Here we are. Yes, I think this could serve as an example. If I zoom in here, you can see that there's a downfall, downfall, downfall. You go down, you bump, you can see that, and then from here you break that resistance and then you continue to the upside. Another good example would be something like, let's say this one. Okay, so this is what bump and run really looks like. If the image is load, my goodness, my internet is so stupid, it doesn't even load any images. Are you gonna load? I'm trying to teach people, man. This is so rude, man. All right, excuse me for that stupid internet right now. And let's see if this one does load up. Okay, thank you so much. This one did load up. Okay, so this is where you actually, they say this is a buy signal. So in my opinion, you might have a complete reversal for SXP, and you can see that this is exactly that bump and run back test, and then you continue to the upside. So it's actually flipping very bullish right now. Okay, so that's it for today's SXP update. We're looking for 2.33 or 2.399 and $2.4, and that would be a nice good from there to there, that would be a 15% increase. So let's see what happens in our financial advisors. Let's hope this target does get met. I do believe, I do hope, and it's very, very high probability that you're going to actually go to that blue line right there. So that's it for today update. I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.